To make this simple and beautiful bracelet, you will need needle and nylon thread or fish line. Tie a knot on the other end of the thread with the needle as I'm showing now. These are the beads that I'm going to use. They are of different colors but same size. Collect 6 beads, 1 pink, 2 green, 1 pink and 2 green. Pass the needle through the first collected pink bead to have something that looks like a circle. Collect 2 yellow, 1 pink and 2 yellow, respectively. This time, we are collecting 5 beads, and not 6 in total until we reach the closure part. It is only the colors that are different. Now I have beaded all these colors and I want to make a closure. So I am taking 2 blue beads. I pass the needle through the pink one on this side. Then I count again 2 blue beads. I do the same. Filling in the center with pink beads. Watch until the end and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Every step of this process is important and simple. If you follow from the beginning up to the end, then you will have such a beautiful bracelet at the end. Ha, don't mind my serious face, lol. I was starving. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe and see you next time. Ciao.